Okay, so hello guys, this is Longnohair. I have missed count what number is our questions today, but let's move on with the questions. The digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are written in squares so that every row and column with three numbers has the total of 13. What is the number of star? So you have been given number 9, number 5. Now you solve the whole sequence or the whole riddle to find stars. Pause the video need. I will go on with the explanation. So here's my explanation. So if you look over here, I will explain it. So first, let's go with this one over here. So to make 9 plus x equal to 13, then x must be equal to 4. Everyone knows that. And the only numbers I can give 4 is 1 and 3, and 2 and 2, 4 and 0. 4 and 0 is not valid since we don't have the number 0 in here. We don't have the number 2 twice, so our number here would definitely be 3 and 1. But we don't know it's 3 or 1 yet, so I'm gonna write it as 3, 1. It's either of them. Now let's move on down here with the number 5. Okay, now let's have our number over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have get rid of 1 and number 3. Now 5 plus something would be equal to 13, which is 8. So what number form an 8? 7 and 1. Can't, because 1 have been used. 6 and 2. Possible. 5 and 3. Can't, 3 have been used. 4 and 4. You can't repeat a number. So our number here would be 6 and 2. Or 2 for each one. So now, since we have solved this 2 column right here, we will just have to solve this row and this column. Let's solve it. So now we have the number 4, 7, 8. So we have this 3 numbers over here, which is 4, 7, and 8. So we will have to use the couple of numbers, which I will divide it into 3. So we have 4 and 8, 8 and 4, 7 and 4, 4 and 7, 7 and 8, and 8 and 7. Now this is our number. So first, let's move on. Let's look at the number or the couple that is impossible, which is 7 and 8. Both of them add together would be 15, which is way larger than 13. But this is not going to be our option. Now, if we look in here, look at number 7, 4, 4, and 7, we'll immediately know that it's not the number for the row right here. If you ask why, because the number right here it's either 3 or 1, but this number add up is 11. So 11 plus 1 is 12, which is not true. 11 plus 4 was 11 plus 3 is 14, which is also not true. So then this is not possible. So our answer over here is 4 and 8 for this couple. So as we know this is 4 and 8, we'll definitely know that this number right here will be number 7. And if you add this up, we'll know that 6 and 7 is 13. We don't have the number 0, so 6 and 7 is not possible. So it'll just only be number 2. And 2 plus 7 is 9. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. So our stars right here, our stars will equal to 4. That is our final answer. And you can actually make it even shorter by if you look at this thing right here, this couple right here. Because if you look at this, 7 and 8 is not possible, so it cannot be lined up. Because you know that 7 and 8 will be diagonal. And if 7 and 8 in diagonal, you can cross both of this number out. It can only be number 4. Lastly, on this stars. That is a shorter way. If you can find the shorter way, congratulations. And if you do my way, also congratulations, since you got it right. So comment down below if you have any others explanation for this math. And thank you for watching. This is a very long question, the longest question I've ever done on my math Longnohair series. I think I read it backward. So thank you.